guys, my name is Mariah and today I'm here to give you an unboxing video. So I bought this product on Amazon. It is a 3 feet silver tree, Christmas tree. I'm about to open it up now. So let's see what it looks like. This tree was actually only like $13. It was a bestseller on Amazon, so that's why I chose it. So let's see what it looks like. I will leave the description in the link below. So hopefully it's pretty up. It's very light, so here it is. I actually bought this for a photo shoot that I'm gonna do this Christmas for my own product. So I'm super excited to use it. Sorry, my cat's in the video. Well, from what I can tell so far, this is a very good quality tree for the price that it is. I don't know the seller or anything myself, so I'm not getting paid for this. I just figured I would just put it on video. So here is the tree. It also comes with these 4 little pieces. It's not obviously out all the way, but you get the idea for now. And it's really lightweight. You can literally just move it easy from room to room. There is instructions in here. It comes, I think the instructions are in all different languages. But you don't even really need the instructions because it's very forward on what to do. My cat approves. He likes it. I guess I should have read the instructions. There we go, I only put 2 upside down. So here is the tree. Obviously it's not all out like it's gonna be presented. Oh, Willie, stop it. But I do recommend this. It's a nice little tree. Okay, so I'll leave the link below. And I hope you guys like this little unboxing video. Have a good day.